Site review. The site ptakiev.info provides online schedules of all types of intercity and suburban transportation in the city of Kiev. Here you can find information about the schedule of planes, trains, electric trains, buses, as well as tips for traveling by car, motorcycle and bicycle, information about tourism and schedules of airports, train stations, and railway stations. If you want to post an article, news, interview, press release or other PR material, use PR Flare. PR Flare is large database of sites for all countries of the world. Fast posting. Best prices. Guarantee.